Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing economics, my lab math, macroeconomics, web development, C++, Java and many more online courses. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and you can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. I will handle your complete course. I will do your all assignments, project, art simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Let's start our assignment. To solve it step by step, we will go to my Lab Pearson, go to Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. Okay, we will download this file in our PC, then we will start our assignment. Click on continue button. Okay, please stand by. Please, if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade and I will do this complete course. Click on download material button. Click on download all files button. All file will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will go to our PC download folder, our laptop. We will open our instruction file first. Click on enable editing button. Okay, click on enable editing button. So moving on assignment. Title of assignment is here. We will increase the font size of this title and we will highlight for a proper view in our video. Okay, the title of assignment is that XP22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So moving on, next question is question number first. Question number first is that, okay, start Word, download and open the file name XP22 Word Chapter 3 Cumulative Assessment Academics. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Word file from Pearson Lab dashboard portal. I am going to opening my file. Click on enable editing button. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay, so we will moving on question number 2. Question number 2 is that click or move the insertion point before the blank paragraph mark at the top of page 2 using Century School Book font at 20 point size. Type Cairns State University and press enter. Change the font size to 16. Type comparison of student GPA and involvement in college associations. Press enter. Check the document for spelling and grammatical error. All names in the table are correct. Okay, first point is that click or move the insertion point before the blank paragraph marked at the top of page 2. Okay, click or move the insertion point before the second paragraph, before the blank paragraph marked at the top of page 2 using Century School Book font at 20 point size. Okay, using Century School Book font and 20 point size. Okay, we will go to the home tab in the font style. We will press Century School Book and font size to 20. And font size to 20. Go to the font size. We will apply 20 font size. So type Cairns State University and press enter. Type Cairns State University and we will press enter. We will type here or simply copy and paste here. Okay, and press enter. Change the font size to 16. We will change the font size to 16 I have already typed comparison of student GPA and involvement in college association. Type, we will simply copy and paste here comparison of student GPA and involvement in college association. So press enter, check the document for spelling and grammatical error. Press enter, simply we will press enter and then check the document for spelling and grammatical error. We will go to the review tab. In the proofing group, click on spelling and grammatical button. Okay. We will click on spelling, click on grouping. Okay. No reference of information, click on set. Okay. Grammars, kind of, achievement, oval, achievement. So close this. 1 second, close this. Okay. You can see I have done this question so well. All names in the table are correct. Moving on, question number 3. Question number 3 is that apply align center alignment to the first row in the table. Apply align center alignment to the first row in the table. Click or move the insertion point after the last entry in the last row ending in 115. Press tab. Type following data, tabbing between all entries except the last leave cells blank that are marked with dashes. Do not type a dash in the cell. Do not press tab after the last atom. Simply apply align center alignment to the first row of the table. We will go to the table, we will select first row of the table and then we will apply center the alignment. Select first row, okay, and then apply align center. Go to the home tab in the paragraph group, apply align center. So the next is that click or move the insertion point after the last entry in the first last row. Okay, click or move the insertion point after the last entry in the last row ending in 115. Press tab. Okay, last entry ending in 115 and then we will click on here, press tab, and simply we will press tab. Okay, so the next is that type the following data, tabbing between all entries except the last. Okay, we will type this data L005189 in the first cell of the last row. Copy and paste this data. So the second cell of the last row we will type Adams Mary. Adams Mary. We will enter second cell. So we will type the third cell of the last row. We will enter. Okay, this is accounting. Okay, subject is accounting. Okay, first student ID, second student name, and then so I have entered the subject. So we will type this data 3 point, here is the GPA 3.67 and then 101. Okay, so the next data L00555558, L00555558. Okay, so the next data is that Shokne Maria. Okay, Shokne Maria. We will type this name, first student ID, now student names, and then yes, again yes property. Okay, and then Subject is CIS. Subject is CIS. So we will enter GB in the next cell. 4.00. 4.00. And the last is that 97. Last is that the 97. So moving on, question number 4. Question number 4 is that right click any named identified as misspelled and from the shortcut menu select ignore all, sort the table by major is ascending order and then by name is ascending order so that the result is name sorted within each major all in ascending order. Okay, right click any name identified as major as misspelled and from the shortcut menu. Okay, select ignore all and sort the table by major is ascending order, by the name is ascending order, sort the table. Okay, we'll select this all. Select ignore, sort the table by major is ascending order. We'll select major, go to the table design tab and then go to the alignment tab, click on sort button. Sort major name, sort major is ascending order and then name is ascending order. Okay, major and name both are ascending order. Then by name. First sort by major, then by name, both are in ascending order. Okay, so that the result is name sorted within each major all ascending order. Moving on, question number 5. Question 5 is that indicate that Mitchell J Simpson and Andrew Sams are both active in delta move delta by typing yes in the delta move delta column for each of those students. Okay, indicate that Mitchell J Jameson and Andrew Sams both are active. Mitchell J. Jameson. Where is Mitchell J. Jameson? Okay. 1 second. Okay. Mitchell J. Jameson and Andrew Sams are both active in delta move delta by typing yes in the delta move delta column for each of those students. Okay. Please focus on my laptop screen. We will type yes here. Move delta. Both are in yes. Okay. We will type yes in the delta move delta column for each those students. Adams Mary. 1 second. Okay, Sam's Andrew is here. We will type yes. Move delta yes. Okay. You can see I have done this question. So moving on next. I have done 5 questions so far. Question number 6 is that insert a new row above the first row of the table and merge all cell in the newly inserted row. Change the font size of 16 type comparison of GP and student involvement. Okay. Insert a new above the first row in the table. Okay, we will insert, click on the first row, go to the table design tab in the row and columns group, click on insert row above. Okay, and merge all cells in the newly inserted row. We will merge all cells. We will select first row and go to the table layout tab in the merge group, click on merge cell button. So the next is that change the font size to 16. We will select this row and then we will change the font size to 16. The home tab in the font group, click on font button size, click on 16 font size. Okay, the last is that type comparison of GP and student involvement. So we will copy this text and we will type here. Okay, comparison of GPA and student involvement. Okay. Okay, I have done this question so well. You can see I have done 6 questions in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to do this assignment from me, I can do this complete assignment for you, and I can do this complete course for you with a plus grade. Total question of this assignment is 20. I have just done six question in my video. Please, if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with a plus grade. My WhatsApp number and my email are shown at bottom of the screen and given in the description. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link or directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all student. Thank you so much. Please come on if you need help in any course. I can do all online courses on material Pearson, Engagement Type, MC Grail, Similar, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Best of luck to my student. Thank you so much.